What's good, everybody? My name is Jay Fatty. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about how to make boom bap beats, specifically style of like Earl Sweatshirt, MAVI, Boldy James, Griselda, that kind of style, all right? Let's get right into it. First thing you're going to want to do is get some kind of melody, whether you make the melody yourself or get a sample. Whatever melody, whatever style, soulful, dark, whatever you're trying to feel, just get some kind of melody. I started with these keys here. And then we just added a string layer, which is pretty much the same chord. All right, and then I also have a saxophone. Nice vibe. And then later on in the beat, we also have a vocal from Arcade. Keep in mind, this vocal is going to sound weird right now with everything else because we're still going to do some other stuff, so I'm going to solo the Vox. All right, the next thing you're going to want to do is add some drums to that, all right? Whether you make your own drums or use a loop, just find some drums that fit it. So what you're going to want to do now is up here on the BPM, we can right-click that and put it in half speed, right? Then in the mixer, on the master, we're going to want to throw a grow speed on, okay? When you're in grow speed, you want to go through the templates until you get to the pitch shifter you're going to want to use, all right? So when you're on this, you can choose what octave you want. I'm going to do a -6 and then go on this deep clicking mode as well. And there's all of these notes at the top. You're going to want to move this around to where it sounds good because sometimes when you do this method, it makes it sound too choppy. You're going to want to move these and get those spaces in between lines there. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Let's just play this. That method, putting it on half speed with the tempo and then putting that octave on in grow speed, it really adds so much sauce and gets some really interesting vibes. Now your next step would be to get a rapper. Well, I consolidated all of this into one track and I got my homie Solo to rap on it. Play a little bit of
Staring at the moon. Hey, it's been a little minute since I prospered. Live a little bit outside the locker. Since a little kid been fuck a copper. Get a doctor, feeling tense and hostile. Stopping me's impossible, like Brucey with his chompers. I spit radiation, this shit's an atom bomb. It's some rainy day shit, I get my dragon on. I'm trying to practice patience, I can't sit back for long. I step and crack the pavement, shake the path to travel on. I walk the ancient path, I'm traveling in Babylon. I want my payments fast so I can get my castle on. Hey, future looking bright, it's up to me, I'ma make something happen. I'm finished asking, taking all the shit I want. You should hear inside my head, I can handle lumps. Strengthening my self-love, weakening my lungs. Working on my work, conversations with the sun. Tempted by the dirt, I'm trying to be a better son. Making sure my girl knows that I'm still deeply in love. Searching for salubrious surroundings, I was giving up. Got my pickaxe in hand, I had to break the cycle up. Took all kinds of stuff, looking for the leap of faith. Got the sun on my mind, moon on my face. Sun on my mind, moon on my face. Moon on my face. Sun on my mind, hey. Got the sun on my mind. Sun on my mind.
So yeah, all of that combined, you can get a really nice sound. It's bringing that real hip hop back. I'm not saying rap and all that stuff isn't real hip hop, but you know what I'm saying? That boom bap, that bounce. You know I implore you to get into this realm. I mean, you don't like making these beats, that's fine, but so many people are making trap beats. We need some variety. All I'm saying. If this video brought you value, please leave a like, hit subscribe, and hit the little bell. Make sure you stay safe, stay striving, and always be getting. Much love, y'all. Peace.